Hello everyone, this is me again, Jesse Max, and today I'm going to show you another random dance move freestyle that I will do. And uh, feel free to join as well. If not, it's okay. You could just observe. But basically, this is something that I randomly came up with out of the groove, listening to music, and that's how I came up with this move. And I don't expect it to go viral, but if it does, then I assume you're already here because it is, and you're fine for that. You're in the right spot for it. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so I don't know exactly how I could put myself where the mirror is, but um, I'm just gonna record myself here. I'm in the bathroom right now, so yeah. Hopefully I don't make you feel disgusted. Yeah, so anyway, what we would like to do first is we would like to try exercise, warm up our, what they call popping skills, boo-boo skills. Here I have a digiting kind of dance with the fingers and the hands. This one is what I would call like the keyboard. So, and if you know how to do the arm wave or some wormy jiggly move with your arms and your shoulders, all you gotta do is include that in there. So, bam, make sure that I can pop like bam, you randomly stop and jerk, or you pause at a certain frame, that kind of thing. Making movements, quick movements, jerky movements. So we got these. Now we're gonna digit. It doesn't have to be perfect, just do that with your hands. Now, as you do that, you're gonna attempt a wave on your arms. So shoot, that scared me. So like 1, 2. Now you're gonna go back, doing the same thing in reverse. Now it doesn't look good to me when I do it. So like, something like that. Kind of like that. And after that, what we're gonna do is we're going to do this with our arms. Basically you have one that's like stop, and then you got one that's like this. Kind of like your wing, you got a wingtip that's down, or like when you throw a basketball, you do that. So you're gonna do that with your left hand. We'll start with, let's just say we start with the right hand doing the stop and the left hand doing a post basketball throw kind of pose. So this, and then we're gonna just go down and switch positions. I guess in any order, it doesn't really matter, but just, do that. Now we're gonna do it on both sides. So like that, and like that. Again, that, and then that. You also want to use a little bit of your hips to make it look a little, I guess, boogie, groovy, funky. So 1, 2, and after this pose, we do a little kick. And when I kick, you want to put a little popping force into it. So that's basically it, but we could go further from that. So after the kick, we kind of do this, like when we do that, when we kick, when we do that. So 1, 2. Now, if you have the balance to do it, maybe we could kick in the back for that. So right here, you could just do that. You're gonna do a little cowtail, where you twist your thing. And to really do the cowtail, it's just like that. You lift your leg. Let me see if I can show you. So I'm gonna do this slowly. I hope that helps. So we'll do from this, and we're lifting our leg up. Now we're gonna synchronize our arms, our left arms do this. So once we do this, we put this one up. We put this one up. Just be prepared for it. So kick like that. For the right side, your right arm just basically pushes it down. Boom, boom. And there you have it. So here we go again. 1, 2, 3, go. You did it, guys. That was kind of bad. I will try again with the timing. So, and 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11 and 12. You might want to put that in sync. So hopefully that has helped you guys. And if it did, great job. V for victory. Thank you guys a lot for watching this. Again, I don't expect this to blow up, but if it does, you guys did it. You guys nailed it. You rocked it. You're the reason why it blew up. And it's really nice to have fun. Thank God. So yeah, a little diversion in the day is healthy and necessary, especially in times like this where we're going through a lot of bad things. So yeah, I'll see you again, guys. Have fun. God bless. Take care, y'all. I've done a great job today, whatever it was, day or night, wherever you are. Y'all are amazing and special. I'll see you there. And bye. Yeah, I guess that's all it. Bye.